Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Just in this absolutely fabulous one owner example Ford Fiesta ST2 1.5 turbo, a real pocket rocket. It is absolutely fabulous to drive. Beautiful example, many factory fitted upgrades, finished in frozen white. It's got the red calipers fitted from the factory. It's got the privacy glass. So many other options. Let's show you around it. It is absolutely beautiful all the way around. Released in September 2018 on a 68 plate. Still under manufacturer's warranty till September 2021. Full Ford service history. Really is a very well cherished example all the way around. Looking great from all angles. Nice loading area, no damage to the rear bumper loading area at all. Nice clean boots, not been abused, no damage, no scuffs in there. Split folding rear seats. No spare wheel on these, all the toolkit there complete. Rear parcel shelf. No little nasty dents, scratches, scuffs down the sides. Very nice all the way around. It really is a beautiful example. All the wheels totally unmarked, no damage, no scruffing, no big chunks out of any of these. Again, the front wheel all in great condition. We've just fitted 2 Michelin tyres to the front, so it's got all matching Michelin tyres all the way around. Of course, the red factory calipers, as I mentioned previously, just does set the car off nicely. All across the front, beautiful, no nasty stone chips. We did the close-up video to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, so we have nothing to hide. Again, the door trim nice and clear, no damage, no scuffs, no marks. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Ford Performance, nice kick plate in there to stop the sills getting damaged. Beautiful end inside. Again, all the seats, great condition. Lovely blue stitching on the upholstery with the sports trims. Again, all lovely and clean. Lovely sports seats with the ST embossed in there. Again, the attention to detail with the blue stitching, I think it's absolutely fabulous. No damage to the seats there. They really do hug you in these sports seats. course made by Recaro. All the trims, all the dashboard nice and clean. Lovely clear 8-inch TFT screen. Nice display, all nice, easy finger touch. Of course, Bluetooth connection. Ford Sync 3, Apple Play.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
It really is a very, very nice, easy, clear screen. Push button start, of course. Climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, driver passenger seats. USB input, 6-speed manual gearbox, various drive modes just to get that suspension absolutely perfect. Normal, sport, race, track, just get it exactly how you want the car to handle. With a mileage of just 23,411, that's all it's done, 23,411, last serviced at 21,000 miles. Cruise control, speed limiter, stereo functions on there. Driver assist. You've also got lane assist as well as hill hold start. Great features on it. And this beautiful sport steering wheel, flat bottom with the blue stitching. It really is attention to detail, isn't it? Look at that. Beautiful example. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Check out our online finance calculator, apply online. Very quick, easy, simple process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. We make buying and selling cars a very simple, easy process. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website to make sure you keep it, to avoid anybody else beating you to it. Any further information, 01782 822 700, click and collect or ask about home delivery. A fabulous example of this real hot hatch 200 brake horsepower pocket rocket. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.